meters later in the evening. Weather, partly cloudy. 80% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm in the early morning. Possible small hail. Forecast for Monday. Winds, northerly 15 to 25 knots, increasing to 20 to 30 knots in the evening, then tending northwesterly 20 to 25 knots in the late evening. Seas, 1 to 1.5 meters, increasing to 1.5 to 2.5 meters during the morning. 12 west, westerly 3 to 4 meters, decreasing to 2.5 to 3 meters during the morning, then tending southwesterly 2 to 2.5 meters by early evening. Weather, partly cloudy. 80% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Forecast for Tuesday. Winds north to northwesterly 20 to 25 knots, shifting southwesterly 25 to 35 knots during the morning. Seas 1 to 2 meters, increasing to 2.5 to 3 meters during the evening. 12 westerly 2 to 4 meters, increasing to 4 to 6 meters during the afternoon. Weather, cloudy. 95% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Possible small hail. Central coast, Cape Otway to Wilson's Promontory. Forecast for Saturday. Strong wind warning for Saturday for Central coast. Winds north to northwesterly 20 to 30 knots, tending northwest to southwesterly in the evening. Seas 1.5 to 2.5 meters. 12 westerly 1.5 to 2.5 meters, increasing to 2 to 4 meters in the west. Weather, cloudy. 95% chance of rain. Chance of a thunderstorm. Forecast for Sunday. Strong wind warning for Sunday for Central coast. Winds westerly 15 to 25 knots, reaching 20 to 30 knots offshore in the morning, easing to west to northwesterly 10 to 15 knots late afternoon. Seas 1.5 to 2.5 meters, decreasing to 1 meter later in the evening. 12 westerly 2 to 3 meters, increasing to 3 to 5 meters in the west. Weather, partly cloudy. 70% chance of showers, with possible small hail in the far west in the late afternoon and evening. Chance of a thunderstorm in the morning. Forecast for Monday. Winds northwesterly 10 to 15 knots, turning north to northeasterly 15 to 20 knots during the morning. Seas around 1 meter, increasing to 1 to 1.5 meters offshore during the morning. 12 west to southwesterly 2 to 3 meters, decreasing to 1.5 to 2 meters by early evening. Weather, mainly sunny day. Chance of a thunderstorm in the late afternoon and evening. Forecast for Tuesday. Winds northerly 15 to 20 knots, tending west to northwesterly during the morning, then tending west to southwesterly 20 to 30 knots during the day. Seas 1.5 to 2.5 meters. 12 west to southwesterly 1 to 2 meters, increasing to 2 to 3 meters during the morning. Weather, cloudy. 95% chance of showers. Chance of a thunderstorm. Central Gippsland coast, Wilson's Promontory to Lake Entrance. Forecast for Saturday. Strong wind warning for Saturday for Central Gippsland coast. Winds northerly 15 to 20 knots, reaching 20 to 30 knots in the evening. Winds tending northwest to southwesterly 20 to 30 knots in the late evening. Seas 1 to 1.5 meters, increasing to 1.5 to 2 meters later in the evening. 12 west to southwesterly around 1 meter, increasing to 1 to 2 meters in the west. Weather, cloudy. 90% chance of rain. Chance of a thunderstorm in the west later this evening. Forecast for Sunday. Strong wind warning for Sunday for central Gippsland coast. Wind west to southwesterly, 20 to 30 knots, tending westerly, 15 to 25 knots. Before dawn, within 20 to 30 knots, offshore during the day. Speed 1.5 to 2.5 meters, decreasing to 1 meter later in the evening. West to southwesterly, 1 to 1.5, increasing to 1 to 2 meters during the morning. Then decreasing to 1 to 1.5 meters later in the evening. Weather, partly sunny. 18% chance of shower. Chance of a thunderstorm in the morning. Forecast for Monday. Wind west to northwesterly, 10 to 15 knots, shifting northeasterly, 15 to 20 knots in the late morning. Speed 1 to 1.5 meters. 12 west to southwesterly, 1 to 1.5 meters, decreasing to around 1 meter during the morning. Weather, sunny day. Chance of a thunderstorm at night. Forecast for Tuesday. Wind north to northeasterly, 15 to 20 knots, shifting westerly, 20 to 30 knots during the morning. Speed 1 to 1.5. Increasing to 2 to 3 around 1 meter during the afternoon. Weather, cloud. 90% chance of shower. Chance of a thunderstorm. East Gippsland coast, Lake Kent to 60 nautical miles east of Cabo Island. Forecast for Saturday. Strong wind warning for Saturday for East Gippsland coast. Northerly 15 to 25 knots. Reaching 20 to 30 knots in the far east in the evening. Wind turning northwesterly in the late east. Speed around 1 meter, increasing to 1 to 2 meters offshore. 12 northeast, less than 1 meter, increasing to 1 to 1.5 meters in the east by early evening. Weather, partly cloudy. 50% chance of rain in the west. Near zero chance elsewhere. Forecast for Sunday. Strong wind warning for Sunday for East Gippsland coast. Wind northwest to southwesterly, 20 to 30 knots, tending westerly, 20 to 25 knots early in the morning, reaching 20 to 30 knots offshore. Speed 1.5 to 2.5 meters. First 12 west to southwesterly, less than 1 meter, increasing to 1 to 1.5 meters around midday, increasing to 1.5 to 2 meters in the far east by early evening. Second 12 northeasterly, 1 to 1.5 meters, decreasing to around 1 meter around midday. Weather, partly cloudy. 70% chance of shower. Forecast for Monday. Wind westerly 15 to 20 knots, shifting northeasterly 15 to 25 knots in the late morning and early afternoon, then increasing to 20 to 30 knots in the evening. Speed 1 to 2 meters, increasing to 1.5 to 2.5 meters by early evening. 12 west to southwesterly, 1 to 1.5 meters, tending south to southwesterly, less than 1 meter later in the evening. Weather, sunny day. Chance of a thunderstorm offshore at night. Forecast for Tuesday. Wind northeasterly, 20 to 30 knots, shifting westerly during the morning. Speed 1 to 2 meters, increasing to 2 to 3 meters offshore. First 12 east to southeasterly, less than 1 meter, tending northeasterly, 1 to 2 meters during the morning. Second 12 south to southwesterly, less than 1 meter, increasing to 1 to 1.5 meters in the east during the evening. Weather, partly cloudy. 95% chance of shower. Chance of a thunderstorm. Up to 5:10 p.m. unless otherwise stated. Tecsun, wind west-northwest at 15 knots, gusting to 21 knots. Port Fairy, wind northwest at 7 knots, gusting to 11 knots. Cape Otway, 2 Aries Inlet, wind west-northwest at 12 knots, gusting to 21 knots. South Channel Islands, wind northwest at 18 knots, gusting to 20 knots. Crib Point, wind northwest at 4 knots, gusting to 8 knots. Wilson's Commentary, wind east at 4 knots, gusting to 5 knots. Lake entrance reported at 3 p.m, wind north-northeast at 5. Gabo Island, wind northeast at 9, gusting to 11 knots. King Island, wind west at 15 knots, gusting to 23 knots. Flinders Island, wind north at 4 knots, gusting to 5 knots. End of transmission from VMC for this part of the program. Warning for Northern Territory, Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria, Tasmania, South Australia, and all high sea areas. Please be aware, wind and wave forecasts are average. Wind gusts can be 40% stronger than the forecast, and stronger still in squalls and thunderstorms. Maximum waves can be twice the forecast height. No current marine warning for the Northern Territory coastal waters. Updated marine wind warning summary for Queensland. Issued at 3:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday, the 31st of July 2021. For the period until midnight, Eastern Standard Time, Sunday, the 1st of August 2021. Wind warning for Saturday, the 31st of July. Strong wind. For the following areas, Torres Strait. For the following areas, Peninsula Coast. Wind warning for Sunday, the 1st of August. Strong wind warning. For the following areas, Torres Strait. Updated marine wind warning summary for New South Wales. Issued at 4:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday, the 31st of July 2021. For the period until midnight, Eastern Standard Time, Sunday, the 1st of August 2021. Wind warning for Saturday, the 31st of July. Strong wind warning. For the following areas, Cobb Coast, Macquarie Coast, Illawarra Coast, Lakeland Coast, and Eden Coast. Wind warning for Sunday, the 1st of August. Strong wind warning. For the following areas, Byron Coast, Cobb Coast, Macquarie Coast, Hunter Coast, Sydney Coast, Illawarra Coast, Lakeland Coast, and Eden Coast. No current marine warning for the Northern Territory ocean area. No current marine warning for Queensland ocean area. Marine wind warning summary for Victoria. Issued at 4:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday, the 31st of July 2021. For the period until midnight, Eastern Standard Time, Sunday, the 1st of August 2021. Wind warning for Saturday, 31 July. Strong wind warning. For the following areas, Port Phillip, Western Port, West Coast, Central Coast, Central Gippsland Coast, and East Gippsland Coast. Wind warning for Sunday, 1 August. Strong wind warning. For the following areas, West Coast, Central Coast, Central Gippsland Coast, and East Gippsland Coast. Updated marine wind warning summary for Tasmania. Issued at 4:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday, the 31st of July 2021. For the period until midnight, Eastern Standard Time, Sunday, the 1st of August 2021. Wind warning for Saturday, 31 July. Strong wind warning. For the following areas, far northwest coast, southwest coast, and central west coast. cancellation. For the following areas, Central North Coast, Upper East Coast, Lower East Coast, and Southeast Coast. Wind warning for Sunday, 1 August. Strong wind warning. For the following areas, Far Northwest Coast, Central North Coast, Bank Strait, and Franklin Sound, east of Flinders Island, Upper East Coast, Lower East Coast, Southeast Coast, Southwest Coast, and Central West Coast. Marine wind warning submarine for South Australia. Issued at 4:22 p.m. Central Standard Time on Saturday, the 31st of July, 2021, for the period until midnight, Central Standard Time, Sunday, the 1st of August, 2021. High seas weather warning for Net Area 10, issued by the Australian Government Bureau of Meteorology at 06:11 hours UTC, the 31st of July, 2021. Gale warning for Western area situation at 0600 hours UTC, vigorous flow associated with a cold front around 35 south 107 east, latitude 39 south, longitude 114 east, latitude 43 south, longitude 114 east to low 979 hectopascal, around 46 south 112 east. Latitude 33 south, longitude 112 east, latitude 39 south, longitude 119 east, latitude 43 south, longitude 117 east to low 985